Hey everybody, we've got a brand new product we're going to try out here today. This is Meguiar's new Gold Class Luxury Matte Non-Slick Finish. Intended for UV fading protection on rubber, vinyl, plastic, and leather. Leaves non-greasy, non-slick luxury finish. We're going to see what a luxury finish is. So this is intended for use on floor mats. They talked about it a little bit at SEMA. I think that's when this was announced, and it was just released this week. I had it on pre-order, so I got it today. We're going to go ahead and spray it onto this WeatherTech mat here. I just cleaned it. I really like Griot's cleaner. It's for rubber mats and things. So we're going to try that out. We're going to try this out on this freshly cleaned and dried WeatherTech mat here. Already shaking it up, but you guys are seeing this in real time. I have not used this product at all, so just give it a couple of light sprays here on the mat. And what I find usually works best is just to work it in with a microfiber. So this is a really inexpensive microfiber. You know, these are sold at Walmart. Nothing fancy. You don't need something super soft and everything for something like a floor mat. So I use these just for general purpose cleaning and stuff like that. Anytime I'm trying out a new product, I always go a little light on the application first, right? Like the last thing you want to do is overdo it, and then you give yourself kind of a bad impression of the product. So I just went real light on it. We're going to see how we like it. If I think it needs more, I can add more. Not a big deal. So far so good. That went on real smooth and easy. It does have a kind of a sweet smell to it. I know some of you guys are, the smell of a product is important to you. It's not really that important to me, but yeah, it has kind of a sweet, almost like fruity, coconutty kind of smell. That went on real easy. Let's see, I've got a couple little leftovers here in some of these grooves. Let me get that. So I just kind of treated this lower section. Let's move up here to the top. I just did one spray there across the top. Work it in. That goes on easy. It goes on easy. Okay, there we go. Not bad. Not bad. It's got a little bit of a slickness to it, but it probably needs a little time to cure. I find that most of these products, you know, even when they say like they're non-slick or non-slippery or something like that, they still have a little slick feeling to them right when you apply them. And then once you give them, you know, a couple of minutes, they kind of soak in, and you know, and that slipperiness goes away. At least that's what I've experienced with these types of products. So, all right, I'm going to try this out here on this floor mat. Initial impression is good. It went on really easy. That slickness is already going away. I'm gonna throw it back here in the car here in a little bit and go for a drive, and we'll see if it truly is non-slick and slippery, and how well it holds up to my feet stepping on it.